In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on Clipboard at the top of it. To activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. Now, how Clipboard works is, when enabled, it stores all of your copied text, links, and if you enable proper functions, images, over here. To go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Now let's try Clipboard. Copy or cut any text. And if you decided, I wanna paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. But if you decided to paste it later on, but within an hour, you can tap on Clipboard and just tap on your text here. If you want to paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, you need to hold it and tap on pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, you need to swipe it to the right or to the left. Tap on undo in the pop-up if you change your mind, or you can just hold it and tap on delete button in the pop-up. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. If you want to manage Clipboard options I mentioned before, click on the same arrow to go back to standard keyboard. Then you need to find settings by clicking on this icon at the top left corner and looking for gear icon over here. It should be at the top of your keyboard. Tap on Clipboard in keyboard settings and tap on those switchers next to all of those features to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!